Danke bafethu. Breaking news, first starting lineups eKaizer Chiefs bafethu versus iZamalek, uPeterson, uSolomons, uCross, uInacio Miguel ngishilo ngathi uzoqala, uKwinika, uMthethwa, uNgcobo, uMaboy, uShabalala, uModi, u-Igataro. Surprising ukuthi sibone ukuthi kuqala ulona let's say umdlali lana obani uModi, because of uModi siyazi ukuthi is not that super strong laphana kuKaizer Chiefs bafethu, to be honest, but-ke bayamqalisa amagame amaningi. He hasn't really given the Chiefs that much in terms of going forward. Asazi ucoach babona into esingayiboni thina, because thina as njengoba sibukele siyabona ukuthi uModi is not a strong candidate ukuthi aqale every game, but-ke amagame amaningi waqala. Even the previous game lapha ne-Egypt uqalile, he gave Kaizer Chiefs absolutely nothing. But-ke the positive thing or esingayimenshina bafethu ukuthi abadlali laphana abaqalayo ulokhu njani uMaboy bafethu uyaqala. It's the first time ngimbona uLebohang Maboy aqala igame since efikile laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, and then u-Igataro laphana phambili siyazi ukuthi uzoba powerfully, uzoba strong kakhulu in terms of like create ama-opportunities. uNgcobo ubuyile futhi, ngeke ngayisho kodwa lento le find ye-Chiefs mebeqalisa uCele last time. uNgcobo uyaqala, he brings i-balance in terms of ukucontrola lawo ma-passes lawo, uyakwazi ukushaya nama-draw passes going forward. Umthetho uzoba protector laphana emuva. uKwinika kumele abe rock solid. uInacio Miguel ubuyile at the back after i-big mistake yakhe laphana. Ngibonile kuma-commentela ona abantu bethi bazomthagetha ubhuti laphana ethi bazomthagetha uInacio Miguel if uyaqala, sobona ukuthi uzokwazi ukukhopha na. Solomons uyaqala again, kusho ukuthi uThabiso Munyane usebhentshini, kusho ukuthi uSolomon is better than Thabiso Munyane. Ngiyayiphikisa lento le, but-ke asimcindezeli bafethu. Sombona umfowethu ukuthi uzodlala kanjani mebemnika, njengoba beloku bemnika ama-opportunities. Also ukuthi uThabiso Munyane phela angadlali bafethu amagame, chaza ukuthi kuBafana Bafana i-space sakhe, njengoba iBafana Bafana bazo-announce i-squad in the next few days, uzobe kuphi. Gaston Sirino naye bafethu uyaqala, which is it's a good thing. So mawubheka laphana uGaston Sirino, uLebohang Maboy, i-experience, baqalisa i-experience e-continental level, they know what these guys bring to the table. Sobona ukuthi maybe boma second half abangaba-introduce ukuthi obani lapha nebhentshini, obvious ovele bayivilakazi, but sobona uGaston Sirino ukuthi immediately after suspension ukuthi uyaqala igame. Ngishilo kodwa ngale starting lineup esi-unpredictable ese-Chiefs ukuthi awazi ukuthi kuzoqala bani, namanje abakabi ne-sure ukuthi kuzoqala bani. Is Lebohang Maboy ready to start? Uzosiprova namhlanje njengoba ethole i-opportunity engaka bafowethu. Lifetime big opportunity yokuthi aqale. Umuntu uShabalala siyazi ezo number 10 ukuthi uzobanika leyo creativity. Umthetho in terms of ukumaka uzoba khona, ukuprotect i-defense. uInacio Miguel njengoba bengishilo angawenza amaphutha. Sobona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani noKwinika, i-partnership yabo ukuthi izobasebenzela namhlanje. Cela omunye bengifuna ukuthini, uCele, I think aboCele bangangena bama-second half if i-Chiefs late second half bazoholda ama-play later on, because of driving forward they won't give you that much, but-ke sobona ukuthi abadlali bazoshape kanjani. So yisi starting lineup lesi si-right, but-ke moving on, I would say, so le first starting lineup lesi ibonayo bafethi strong, but into important kakhulu ukuthi i-Chiefs izo-attack-a kule game le, baya-understand ukuthi kumele baye all out. Let's hope mabaya phambili beloke ba-attack, iZamalek ngeke ibathole laphana noma ibashaye ngama-counter attack, because of more-focus ek-attack-eni, udlala nama-side ane-experience kakhulu. They just sit back, then baba nabantu abafewile siyabawu-3 abazoloke bafaka i-pressure laphana phambili, sithemba ukuthi ba-ready. Ngeke sibone lento le efana nase-Egypt ukuthi aba-attack-i, i-movement ayikho, i-strikers dropper back, so i-striker kumele sibe close to eboxini bafowethu. So I think it's good ukubona bebuya badlala ku-continental level. I was just watching something manje, uKaizer Motaung Junior athi team efana neKaizer Chiefs kumele ihlezi khona laphana ku-continental football, sebayithatha serious ngempela. So iKaizer Chiefs bayazi, laba abadlalayo namhlanje bayazi ukuthi ba-under pressure yangempela, after i-disappointing 1 defeat laphana Al-Masry Egypt. Amakhosi adlala ekhaya for the first time, the stakes are high bafowethu this weekend laphana ePeter Mokaba njengoba bedlala nayo le iZamalek. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi must win game vele yabona ama-calculator usebenzisa ama-calculator ungathi akusase-second game, hhayi abakhohlwe le nto le, but forgetting ukuthi bodlala ama-2 away games, basawudlala neZamalek away, basazodlala neZesco away. So away kunzima kakhulu, so kumele baqale namhlanje ukuthi at home bakwazi ukuwina. Otherwise if you drop points at home, it means that wena ngeke ube ne-competition e-right, awuna chance kahle kahle if you can't collect ama-point ekhaya. Kubalulekile ukuthi ucollecte ama-points ekhaya. So 0 points after one game. Again, you are facing iZamalek, one of the most disciplined in terms of discipline. Phela iZamalek discipline futhi ne-structure ihlakaniphile. They can't afford to lose ama-point bafethu. Angeke size si-negotiate ukuthi hayi noma bangathola 1 point, no, kufuneka i-3 points. 3 points iyafuneka. Egypt, they showed in terms of defense fight, but kuya phambili they showed nothing. So ukuluze i-concentration laphana from ama-mistake wabo namhlanje, they cannot afford ukuba nalawo maphutha lawo. So kumele kube nama-moments of i-good build up in terms of ukuya phambili, i-structure kumele kube yikho, ama-midfielders kumele a-connect nama-wing, everything namhlanje kumele isebenze. Those who are obviously-ke ama-players ngawabheka laphana esaziyo ukuthi azoba i-difference maker, akhona ama-player maningi laphana egrawundini, siyawabona bafethu ama-player exciting kakhulu, but o-coach nabo kusho ukuthi le game, approaching this game, kumele badlalise ama-player according to i-strength sabo. Ngiyohlezi ngisho le nto, abantu abaningi baze bayizwe, you don't play i-system nje kuphela, but kumele kubheke ukuthi wena as uMdumo Shabalala, what is your strength, and then bakudlalisa according to leyo nto leyo. Ngike ngayisho ngelinye ilanga ukuthi I remember seeing uMdumo Shabalala years back adlala elokishini, edlala eDustin, bedlala esayidini. Why bengamdlalisi esayidini kwamanye ama-game? Because of sayidini angadlala, bangabe robotic labantu laba. Le akusiyo igame bafethu about ama-point nje kuphela, igame about i-pride ye-Kaizer Chiefs, ukubhiliva again ukuthi bangakwazi ukucompete ku-continental competitions, futhi abantu batravele all over South Africa bafethu bobukela le game le, so there's no excuse for i-Chiefs ukuthi ingakwazi ukuyiwina. In midfielder namhlanje badinga ukuthi be-sharper than ever, i-defense be-more alert, ingenza amaphutha phambili-ke. When they get opportunities, they have to be ruthless bafethu, bawashaye ngempela. I-1 chance or 2 chances zingadecide le match le, because of iZamalek bafethu ine-structure esihle kakhulu. If i-Chiefs ifuna ukukhipha ilokhu njani, to keep their dream of qualifying for the next stage of the competition alive, kumele bakwazi ukucontrol igame early, badominate ama-spaces, and then basende i-message strong across the continent ukuthi bayakwazi ukucompete na one of the best teams on the continent. If abayisendi leyo message leyo strong, then bazocompete kanjani, ngoba bafuna ukuya ku-Champions League next season. If they can't conquer the CAF Confederations Cup, as they need to conquer the CAF Confederations Cup, balance in the league, bathatha okukodwa between the two bafethu. Even if they don't win the league, but kumele babe ku-top 2 if bafuna ukuya ku-Champions League, which is the most important cup competition in African football. But yeah, I think i-Chiefs ine-chance ngempela ukuthi iwine namhlanje. Modlala e-home, ama-fans azobe khona, thousands and tens of thousands laphana Peter Mokaba. Ngibonile ukuthi amathikithi awakapheli because of i-Chiefs ikhipha i-statement bathi amathikithi bangawathenga nalaphana ePeter Mokaba Stadium, meaning that ayashoda kakhulu amathikithi, noma sekhona amathikithi amaningi. I think enye into ekumele siyibuze yona ukuthi as much as sazi ukuthi iPolokwane they always come abantu in big numbers, but-ke was Polokwane the best venue for them ukuthi bodlala khona? Because I'm asking this because of mawubheka ukuthi i-Chiefs isupportwa kuphi kakhulu. iPolokwane, they're getting used to i-Chiefs, to be fair, but-ke bayayideserve, ugovernment wakhona uyadeserve ukhosta i-Chiefs because of i-deal abanayo le 16 million rands ngesizini. But what is the best location for i-Chiefs? I think i-Soccer City obviously is the home yabo, spiritual home. Siyazi ukuthi Soccer City has been home for so many years, but-ke ama-fans they don't come in big numbers laphana e-Soccer City. Mekudlalwa lese nama-teams especially lawo esingawazi, I'm sure ukuthi i-Soccer City bangeke bafile i-stadium because of isikhulu i-90,000, yabo. So taking to small venues la ama-fans azofila like ama-players wezamalek azokwazi ukufila i-presence ye-Kaizer Chiefs. I think that's a good thing. That is why abantu beba-complain-a noma bebebuza ngale nto le ukuthi why don't you take the games to Dobsonville, because they saw people of Soweto is just a walking distance to the stadium, plus-ke nalabantu ababuya kude, so thousands and thousands of people, it's easy accessible to abantu baselokishini abalithandayo ibhola. So kuletha igame, uthatha igame lese ukuyisa eDobsonville bekuyinto right kakhulu. And let's say uyithathe futhi igame ise boma-Cape Town, amanye ama-game of this magnitude, because of abajwayelanga ukubukela i-Chiefs, especially manje ngoba sokusele i-Stellenbosch kuphela laphana e-Cape Town, kusho ukuthi i-Chiefs iya kayi-1 ngonyaka. So they would be happy ukubona i-Chiefs idlala kulezo indawo lezo. You can take i-Chiefs anywhere, whether you can take it to Cape Town, you can take it to PE, you can take it to Mbombela. I mean, they're getting used to Chiefs, to be fair. But different parts of the country, Chiefs ingenza kahle kakhulu in terms of ukugcwalisa estadium, because people are hungry to watch i-Chiefs. Even banga-rotate endaweni eyodwa bafethu, same provinces, no. Cela ukuyibamba la kwamanje. Sithanda ukuthi siyifisela inhlanhla i-Chiefs ukuthi idlale kahle ku-match yanamhlanje. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi i-page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.